6 other locations also. So here we go. I'm going to play this video, and it's just 4 minutes, and we appreciate it. And let me make sure you can hear it when it starts, Willie. Let me know.
Okay. Okay, I'm not hearing anything as of yet, but keep it going. Oh.
You're not hearing anything yet?
No, I'm not hearing anything.
All right. Well, let me just read it to you then. This was his speech that he gave, and I'll just read it for him. Dr. Surajit Khanna of KhannaForKids.com and champion of voiceofthekids.org wishes to congratulate Justice Amy Coney Barrett for her confirmation as Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. It is the highest court in the nation. This is the summative achievement of any United States lawyer can obtain. Judge Barrett is replacing Justice Ruth Bader Ginsberg, who passed away last month. Dr. Khanna believes Justice Barrett will recognize the importance of the Nonpartisan Juvenile Justice Reformation Act of 2018 and implementing his post-incarceration initiative that supports this, that we're working with you, Willie, and we're working with John Marks, and we're working with to get those juveniles or young people who are out of jail, looking for work, get them hired, get them trained, and get them a job. You see, the Justice Reformation Act was designed so young people could do 4 things: not get locked up with age-based offenses such as truancy or running away, removed from adult facilities so that they're not being housed with career criminals, keep separate from incarcerated adults, and requires states to identify and reduce racial and ethnic disparities. However, Dr. Khanna is taking this one step further. He's expanding on the act by taking even more action with his initiative to help young people released from incarceration be integrated back into society. So that's what's happening right now. So he is also working with a future TV show that will let you know, that will highlight the difficulties associated with post-incarceration with these ex-criminals being integrated back to their family and back into society. So Dr. Khanna is taking the Reformation Act for juveniles even further. So he wishes to Justice Barrett's success in her new position and looks forward to her support of the 2018 Juvenile Justice Reformation Act and his post-incarceration initiative. So if anybody out there is listening and you know someone who's been incarcerated, is out having difficulty getting a job, or if you're getting out of jail soon, or if you even know somebody, please contact us. It's real simple at contactk.com, contactk.com. We'll be happy to help you out. Dr. Khanna will be there. Sorry that the video didn't work, but at least you got the information. Willie, hand it back to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gary. Yes, we just thank Gary and Dr. Khanna and Brother Klein for what they do. I mean, it's spearheaded by Dr. Khanna, and he's helping the young men that are coming back home. He's also fighting against the young people being put in with older inmates that are been there and not likely to come home anytime. You take a young man, 17, 18 years old, and throw him in a cell, and doesn't end up well for the young person, because what happens when they're in prison and they are abused, you turn them into animals. It's like when you take away their integrity, you take away their hearts. As a young man, that stains them for life. And when they come out, sometimes they have no feeling of anything. They are cold-hearted to whatever, even to their members of their families. So Dr. Khanna has definitely put some things forth, some bills forth, and they're working to get it where they no longer can do that. They no longer can put the young inmates with the older ones, especially you get somebody that's coming out in 30 days, 60 days, and you throw them in a place where He's going to be abused, sometimes sodomized. I heard something a few months ago, and it shocked me because I didn't believe it, but they said it's true. The young men have a higher rate than women in America of being raped.
Wow.
How sick is that? I mean, this is why I guess I didn't believe it then. But Gary, you were on the line when one of our guests was telling us his story coming out of prison. And the thing about it is it's just a sad day and time when a young man can go in prison.
Yeah, that was Mike Palumbi. Mike Palumbi, yes, he joined us.
Yeah, and when can go in and get abused while in the government's hands, while in the there to do his time, and then they abuse him, beat him up, sexual assault him, and then turn him back home. Oh, now you can go home. What? I mean, that is so sick. So we just thank God for advocates like Dr. Conner, what he's spearheading, because it's needed. It should have been done years and years ago, but at least now it's being addressed. And I don't know. It may be other people doing the same thing. It may be I got something where somebody just sent me something where they're working hard to. I'll try and pull it up again, but they are working with, what is it? Recidivism, second chance legislation, and there's a big word here.
Whatever it is, tell them to contact us. Give us a number.
Inequalities, yeah.
We want to. We want to talk to them. We want to work with them. We're looking to partner with different organizations and different people so that we can have a common goal. There's really 3 areas of concentration. Number 1, prevention. Number 2, safety while in jail. Number 3, getting back into society. There's 3 areas we want to help. So if anybody out there has an idea or suggestion, contact K.com. Contact K.com.
I think that's an awesome thing, and I'm pretty sure you're going to have a lot of people, because I know parents are very concerned about situations like this. Listen, I'm just excited for being here. I've had an awesome time. I'm just glad and bad. I know I missed you guys a couple of days. Ro had some things that had to be taken care of that I could only be the one that could take care of it. But at this point in time, thank God they're taken care of, and I'm back. And I'm going to be here tomorrow. Listen, we've got a big day coming up tomorrow. And don't you dare touch that dial. We're going to be here at 5 o'clock today. That's right, 5 o'clock to 6 with Pastor V.P. Taylor, with Pastor